If you're heading to Guangzhou for the Canton Fair or even just vacation in general, finding a good hotel that's fairly priced, comfortable, and in a convenient location is a little bit harder than it should be. That's because photos are often misleading, reviews are biased, and then you're left guessing and hoping for the best. None of that. So today, we're going to be doing a full tour of 3 hotels that I've stayed at recently, so you can see exactly what you're getting before you book anything. And so you're not surprised by things like the lack of AC control, which is super important in a super hot place like Guangzhou. And yes, these are all foreigner friendly. I can personally confirm. They will take a picture of your passport and may ask you to sign, but that's about it. And you don't need to pay a deposit when you book through Trip. And of course, I'll leave the links so you can book the exact ones in the description box. I'll also share some tips at the end on how to maximize your stay by taking advantage of the free services, so make sure you stick around for that. With that said, let's get started. The first hotel on our list is FromK and is located in the Tianhe district, which is city center and a great area to be in as you're near food, shopping, a metro stop a couple blocks down, super convenient location to be in, which is why I picked it. You can get to the Canton Fair from here in about half an hour by car or train, and this hotel even offers a special shuttle service to make things even easier. Just let the front desk know and they'll save a seat for you. Have the bathroom area here, nice and spacious. The shower area. You have the bed here. And then you have a big sofa here. And then we have the water boiler, some tea, some water. This hairdryer is actually really good. You can control your AC here. Yes, they have this little AI assistant system. I think you can pick movies and things to watch on the TV. There's also this cute tea set, and then some steam eye masks. And they just sent up another plate of fruits. Oh my gosh. I have so many fruits to consume. Lobbies on the first floor. There's a restaurant on the second floor. The guest rooms. There's a business room on the 5th floor. We'll take a look shortly. A tea room, laundry and gym, and a kids room. Two washers and 2 dryers. And then we have an iron over here and detergent. This is the kids' playroom. This is the tea room on the 7th floor. There's also a conference room on the 5th floor. This hotel really wants to keep its guests fed at all hours, with breakfast, afternoon tea, and supper. Some yogurt. And then some desserts, some fruits, and then some salad. Porridge here. Have some bean soup. And then some bacon, chicken, some peas, some vegetables. And you have your dim sum here. Take a look. Very cute. Ooh. pastries, some waffles, and got your toast, your croissants, some cereal, some juices and teas. Here we have the midnight snacks. Some cup noodles, some tofu, some beans or fruits, and some tea. The service at FromK was truly top-notch and honestly a perfect stay for those who want to be in city center. If you're looking to be even closer to the convention center though, let's check out the other two options. But first, do me a favor and hit the like button to show me your support, or better yet, leave me a comment letting me know your thoughts. And if you're not already subscribed, I would highly recommend you do so, as I have so many more practical no BS tips to share. With that said, let's get back to our tours. The second hotel is Arthur Hotel, which is close to the Canton Tower and takes about 20 minutes by car or metro to get to the Canton Fair. The metro is conveniently located right down the block, and they also offer a complimentary shuttle at certain times. So this hotel caught my eye because of its interesting decor, which is equestrian inspired. So when you enter, you have a little coat hanging area. Then you have the bathroom here, a sink, a big mirror. And then you have the shower room here. Some water, a tea kettle. I think it's a fridge. Yep, it's a fridge. Then you have this very spacious and classy looking room. It's a huge bed. Very soft. I really like the decor here. A cute little tea set. Don't know if there's much of a view, but let's take a look. Right. Yep, it's looking into some park. This seems like a quiet, more residential area. But yeah, this looks really solid. There's a projector up here as well. Huge screen. A soundbar up top. And then we have AC controls. And then we have some outlets over here. And some light controls. I think they set up some fruit. Oh wow.
到您久等了，请拿好物品，在屏幕上点击关门按钮。您是我见过全宇宙最和蔼的人，希望我的服务会为您带来世纪的好心情。别忘记给我一个大大。
They also have this pillow that's really good for you hot sleepers. It's like a dual-sided cooling pillow. So it's really chilly feeling. Next, let's check out the facilities. Here's a gym with 2 treadmills, ellipticals, and weights. It's probably one of the biggest laundry rooms I've seen. in the hotels. Got the ironing board, steaming, washer dryer. Alright, now let's head out to see what's nearby. Down the block are these small eateries. And then that's the subway at the end of the block, which also connects you to the Liang Mall across the street. It's actually a pretty solid mall with lots of eateries, bakeries, you can do some shopping. There is even facial clinics, hair spa clinics, and so forth. I really enjoyed the luxurious little details at this hotel and its proximity to the metro stop, which made it very easy to get around. Moving on to our third and final hotel, which is the Rezen Hotel. This is the one that's the closest to the convention center. It's only about 10 minutes by car or metro. And they also offer a shuttle service similar to the other two. The metro is also on the same block, which gives you easy access to the rest of the city. Alright, we have our bathroom by the entryway, sink here on the right, and then a big bathroom on the left. Like this counter space. And the toilet auto opens, that's cool. Very clean and big shower. Let's see, we have a fridge here, some storage over here, a tea kettle, an outlet, some teas and coffee. A big spacious room. A little seating area. Have your controls, an outlet. Oh, this is very soft. This is probably the softest of the hotels I've been in Guangzhou. More outlets. And then we have the AC control over here. Let's see. Okay, so you can change between heat, fan, and AC. So they have a meeting room, a restaurant, the laundry gym. The meeting room is like a typical conference room, but there are people inside, so I'm not gonna film them. You have the combined laundry and gym here, 3 washer dryers, and then you have some treadmills, elliptical, a bench, and some weights. A dim sum, you can ask for noodles here. Have some porridge, some juice, some dessert, and then toast, and some salad. This hotel room was super spacious, the breakfast was very solid, and you're about as close as you can be to the convention center. Overall, I had a very positive experience at all these hotels. Let me know which one looks the most interesting to you and what you look for when you book. Now for some important tips that will level up your stay. Number 1, you're often able to check in early at Chinese hotels. China's customer service bar is quite high, and if they have a room available, they'll often just let you in early instead of making you wait. Of course, this isn't always the case if they have a full house, if they're trying to clean out the room, but generally you have a good chance, and worst case scenario, you can leave your luggage with the front desk so that you don't have to drag it around. Number 2, laundry is free at these 3 hotels. So many mid-range hotels in China will have a laundry area like you saw in the video, and this is super convenient so that you don't have to drag around dirty laundry and you don't have to pack as much. Detergent is always provided, and some places even offer the full service where you can just drop your laundry off and they'll bring back the clean laundry to your room. Number 3, these 3 hotels all support food delivery and package delivery, which is super convenient. So you can send your packages to the front desk even ahead of your arrival and have it waiting there for you. Number 4, all these hotels do offer free Wi-Fi, but you will need a VPN if you want to access non-Chinese websites. I will say that the policies have become more restrictive lately, so none of the VPNs really work super well. I use Express, and I'll leave the link down in the description box, but just be aware that none of the VPN services work perfectly at the moment. Alright, so that was my first hotel recommendation video. It was highly requested by many of you, and I actually found it quite fun to do, so I would love to get your feedback, and to get your thoughts on which of the following cities I should prioritize next. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.